What is graphics designing? As you all know about this creative field, before we started, let's know about what graphics designing is and talk about some basic principles of graphics designing. Graphics designing is a creative process that involves the creation and manipulation of visual elements to convey a message, idea, or information. Here is some basic principles of graphics designing that you all must know before get started graphics designing. Balance. Symmetrical balance. Elements are evenly distributed on either side of a central axis, creating a sense of stability. Balance is achieved through the careful arrangement of different elements that have equal visual weight. Contrast, creating a noticeable difference between elements, such as colors, shapes, or sizes, to make certain elements stand out and capture attention. Hierarchy, organizing elements in a way that indicates their importance, guiding the viewer's eye through the design in a deliberate manner. Alignment, ensuring that elements are properly aligned to create a clean and organized appearance, promoting readability and visual clarity. Typography, choosing and arranging typefaces to enhance readability and convey the intended tone and message. Color theory, understanding the psychological and emotional impact of colors, as well as how they interact with each other to create visually appealing and meaningful designs. Hope you all get the basic principles about graphics designing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting and informative videos.